Alright, so we are going to make a camera as best we can. The way I do that, I'm going to start with a rectangle. And let's say it's 3 inches wide, or maybe 4 inches wide. We'll make it maybe, let's look at my ruler here, 2.5 inches tall. So there's our camera. Now we're just gonna make our lives easy and start by extruding this. Inch sounds good. It's a pretty blocky camera, but that'll do. Now here we're gonna start making our lens. So to do that, our camera is gonna be 2.5 inches tall. So let's make this 2.25 inches in diameter. Okay, now we have to make sure that it's in the center of the camera, so we're going to make sure this is, let's see, 2.5 divided by 2 is 1.25 inches away, and we're going to make sure we dimension, click here, click this side, it's going to change this dimension when I click again, here, pretty close, 1.25, excellent, and let's make a few more of these circles. So it's easy to get the same center, and let's make it 2.125. Okay, let's do a few more. 2 inches. I'm going to do 1.875. Let's see, now 1.65. That was a little off. So that's fine. So I'm going to finish my sketch, and let's pick a few of these to extrude. Let's start with make this one, not that one, not that one. Cancel. Extrude. Let's zoom in. I want these to come out 0.125 inches, just a tiny bit, make it look cool. I'm just going to pick every other. Okay. Let's do another, oh, we need another thing here. So, here it kind of looks like a sheet of glass, I guess, even though it'd be a bit large. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to start a sketch here. We're just going to do a line from here to here. We're going to do a line from here to here. I'm just kind of picking spots. Made a rectangle. Actually, instead of that last one, take the arc. We're going to hit this spot. Okay. And then we got another arc that we're doing here. You don't have to be this detailed. You can just skip this if you're one of my students and you think I'm going nuts and you don't appreciate it. Finish the sketch. Extrude this and this. But I'm only going to do it 0.075. And if you want, you look up a camera, you try to just make it look like a camera. But I'm ready to move on. We're going to need a flash. So let's do this. Let's make it 1 inch wide. Tab. And 0.4 inches tall. That looks good. Finish. Sketch. Extrude. We're going to put it 0.125 inches in. Okay. And now I start a sketch here. I'm going to draw a rectangle. And it's going to be 0.9 inches tall. And, oh boy, I can't remember. or 0.9 inches wide. I can't remember, 0.39 inches tall, I believe. I'm going to just change this 0.999. That way we can see, and let's do 0.95. That's good, and we'll dimension it. .025. Good. Now it's centered. Here, we're going to dimension this. Click here, click here. Nope, click again. There we go. So 0.1. That's wrong. Let's make, I double click the number. 0.01. No, 0.005. So maybe you don't go as exact as I am, but I'll explain what I'm doing in a second. You extrude it. You're going to extrude this back out the same distance you put it in. Except now it's got a little gap. And we are going to fillet. And if you can't get it, you can zoom all the way in. Let's do 0.2 inches. Oh yeah! Look at that thing! All I did is curved it. Change it if you want. We're going to start a shape on the top. We need that little button. Need the button that's going to engage it. Let's make it 0.5 inches wide. We'll make it 0.75 inches long. Once again, I have confused my dimensions because I wasn't paying attention. 0.75 inches will be the height of that, and then we'll make the width 0.5. Alright, now if we want it centered on our piece, it's going to be, it's 1 inch thick. If we have 0.5, 1 inch minus 0.5 divided by 2 is 0.25. 0.25. And just because I want to, I'm going to make it the same as the other dimension. Make it 0.25. Cool. Finish sketch. Just take the thing, I'll pop it out, a little fillet, so it doesn't hurt your fingers. Fillet, 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 and fillet. Okay. Definitely looks more like a camera. You can keep going on this. There's plenty of things you can do. This is a very simple looking model of a camera.